In this video, I will guide you on how to fix high demand error on Grok AI. First, let's understand the issue. The Grok high demand error happens when too many users are using the service at the same time. It is not caused by your device or account. Now to fix this, restart the app. For that, close the Grok app completely, then reopen it and check if the error is gone. If it is not, you want to switch your internet connection. For that, turn off Wi-Fi and switch to mobile data or vice versa. You also want to try a different network if that is available. Next, you want to wait and try again later. Sometimes the server are overloaded. For that, wait for a few minutes and then retry. Next, you want to clear the app cache. For that, tap and hold on the Grok app, then tap on this app info icon. Now tap on the storage option, then tap on clear cache. Now head back, tap on app permissions. Here, make sure that all the required permissions are enabled. Next, you want to update the app. For that, head over to Google Play Store or App Store and search for Grok AI. Now tap on the update option. Once it has been updated, check if your problem is fixed. If it is not, then you simply want to wait out until this issue is fixed. High demand errors usually fix themselves over time once the server traffic reduces. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.